Further, in today's video we'll be talking about these 3 Discord bots, and how to use them in my server. And let's get started.
So guys, sorry for the weird introduction. I thought it'd be cool to use
text-to-speech.
Dank meme. So go to the bot fund category. So Dank meme is typically a currency gift. You to mention in this video. So if you type please help, you will get all of the commands you can use. You can rob people, you can gamble, fish, drop, dig, gift, trade, and yeah, you can use commands. Or if you go to the guide section of my Discord server, you can check all of the basic commands. And yes, you can play tic-tac-toe with other users, connect 4 lines, for money or without money. So that is a brief introduction about Dank meme. So the next bot is me 6 bottlers. Not that important, just shows what is your level. So Hydra sound request. So it is a music bot actually. So you can see the Musica, the music station category. You need to join that first. Then you can type dot play the song writer's name and the song name. I'm not going to type any song because I do not want to get any copyrights. So that's how, if you want, you can disconnect. And the giveaway bot. The giveaway bot is where I host a giveaway by clicking +G and create, I guess. I'm not sure. Yeah. And then if you go to the guide on how to use the giveaway bot, they will let you to interact with the emoji. So if you react with the emoji, the bot will automatically tell who is the first person. Then I would give him that. And yeah, that's a short video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to see my other Discord video, click or tap on the screen for the next 5 seconds. And I'll see you in the next video.